Welcome back to the channel, guys. Thanks for coming by. I want to tell you about this snowplow. I got this, is the third year on it. Boss HTX light duty poly, and the keyword is light duty. I was up at my brother's house. I don't usually plow for him, and it was a warm-up like this right here. We're up to like 45 degrees right now, and the snow is melting fast, but it's going to refreeze in the morning, so we'll be out sanding. My brother's house, his house burnt down, and I thought he had somebody up there taking care of the driveway, but I guess he didn't. And you can see where it broke. I mean, it holds this poly shield back in case there's a lot of snow, but it hasn't really affected it much. When I got done plowing, I noticed this right here, the jingling around. So that's what happened. And it was like I said, his house burnt. I should have brought the Ford up, because this is quite a bit more heavy duty. But I was in this. He called up, says, can you plow my driveway? House rebuilt, and they had to deliver fuel. So I went up, and it hadn't been plowed at all the whole year. So it took a while just to break through on the end by the road where the snowplow goes by. And then it goes right up like this to the end. And I went up probably about 15 feet to the end and plowed that back first. And there was a little spot where it wasn't really frozen. I got underneath it into the dirt a little bit, I think. And push comes to shove, you got to get it out of there. And it was just a frozen mess stuck down. And anyways, that's what happened. So just want to remind you guys that these small plows, light duty, you can see the difference. I'll just have that welded, quick fix. But this plow has been a good plow, and I'm going to continue to plow with it at the apartments. Everything is pavement. I've got about 3 driveways, I guess, plus down here is not paved, obviously, and I have to plow this out. But I'm glad I got it still. It's just a quick, easy fix, just to let you guys know how it's going. Thanks for coming by. We'll be sanding in the morning. See ya.